This is the ExactTrades.com Shakers Report for October 20th, 2011. First, we're taking a look at the SPY. You can see here we had the sell-off yesterday's session once we broke through that support level late in the day. So we really came down and we were testing that 122 area. Let's zoom in here a little bit so you can see it. We're testing this 122 area several times. Finally broke and had a big sell-off late in the day and held the lows. Aftermarket was flat. This morning we have news of Gaddafi being either captured or dying from his wounds, so we're waiting to get confirmation on that. I think the market's up a little bit on that news. We're going to watch this 121 as support today, so look for some selling down into 121. If we can break through this 121, could come down into this 120.50 and possibly 120. Going to have some strong support at 120. We've really been in this channel here between the highs at 123.60 and then this 119. This breakdown here was big. We were really consolidating for a breakthrough 124 earlier in the day, yesterday's session. So the selling, the longs kind of gave up there late in the day, and we'll see if we get some follow through this 121. I'll still be looking a little bit more to the short side to come down into the 120.50, possibly 120 area. But I'll also have some longs too. So stay flexible. Don't try to predict what happens, just react to the market and breaking support and resistance levels. Let's go ahead and look at today's trades. First we have HSY. You can see here resistance level just under 61, right in there, and really been consolidating just under these highs. So we're going to look for a breakout over 61. Going to take this long over 61.05. First profit target's going to be 61.66. Second profit target is going to be 62.27. And then I would trail a stop, try to get through 62.50 and possibly 63 with your last piece. Next we have AGN. Resistance is right around 86.37. We're in this area here. Going to take this long over 86.45. First profit target is going to be 87.30. So take some profit right about here. Move up your stop at that point. Next profit target is going to be 88.17. So just under 88.20. Take a little bit more profit. And then trail a stop on your last piece. Try to see if you can go up into 89. It might move up into 90 if we have a strong day, but I'm thinking 89 is going to be good resistance for your last. Now we're looking at BBBY. Resistance level here at 61.68. Really been consolidating for a few days here. Going to look for a breakout over that resistance level. Going to take this long over 61.77. First profit target is going to be 62.38. Second profit target is going to be 62.99, so just under 63. Take your second profit. See if you can push through 63, and I would trail a stop and look for 64 on your last piece of that trade. Now we have APKT. Sold off yesterday down into this $37 support level, right about there. Getting a small bounce pre-market. Going to look for a turn back down to break through 67 or 37 support level. Excuse me. Going to short this under 36.94. So right about there, take it short. First profit target is going to be 36.58. Second profit target is going to be 36.22. And then I'd trail a stop down into 36. See if you can break through 36, and I would really be shooting for 35. You see these lows here from October 5th. Next we have ILMN. I've had my eye on this stock for about 4 days now. You can see support level here just over 25.50 and just been completely flat off of the big sell-off. So been consolidating for a break to move to lower lows. I'm waiting for that 25.50. We did get some selling finally in yesterday's session, and we're down pre-market this morning down into 26. So you can take this below 26. There's plenty of money here to maybe get a 1-2% trade down into the lows to test support, or you can just be a little more conservative and wait for a break of that 25.50. I would wait for the 25.50 take it short 25.45 area. First profit target is going to be 25.20, so right about there. Take some profit. Second profit target is going to be right around 25. 24.95 is the actual target, but you might see some support at 25. Wait for a break of that 25, and I would trail a stop and try to get down into possibly 24 or 24.50 with your last piece, right in there. Next we have ANV. You can see low support is at 32.30 approximately, right there. Going to have maybe a little bit more support right around 33. Last is at 34.29, near the lows from yesterday's session. We're going to look for a break below that. I'm going to take this short under 34.14. So right there, go short. First profit target is going to be 33.80. Second profit target is going to be 33.47. So right around 33.50, take your second target, and then keep a last third or last quarter of that trade. Try to come down into this 33 area. So those are the trades for today. Good luck to everyone, and we'll see you back here tomorrow.